Good looks determine success. May nakaka-relate po ba dito? Anyone? Do you agree? Good looks determine success? Ay, wala nakaka-relate. Buti pa yung mga ibang dealers, may mga nakaka-relate. Anyone? Do you agree? Yes? Bakit ako bibili ng kotse sa'yo? Ang dumi-dumi ng kuko mo. Bakit ako bibili sa'yo ng kotse? Tingnan mo nga, meron kang malunggay sa ipin mo, oh. A level of presentability is important at the end of the day. Agree? Yes, it does matter, right? This is why in sales, it's not just about what you know, but how you present yourself to customers as well. Here's one interesting take note. In 1994, one of the controversial studies published also by the Harvard Business Review says American CEOs get promoted in their jobs not just because they're technically good in what they do, but because they possess this physical trait that makes them, that's very good, that makes them look relatively more commanding and authoritative. And the answer is height. Because in our culture, around the world, the taller you are, the more commanding and authoritative you look. And therefore, it gives you the edge as well. Can I ask the ladies in the room, do you agree? Kahit mukhang bakulaw, basta 6'4", pwede na? Pwede na ba? Medj. Pwede. Right? Pwede na. So a level of good looks maybe can propel you towards success. And this is why, if you were not blessed with the most stunning looks like a model, what do you do? How do you compensate? You compensate with your clothes. You compensate with your hygiene. You compensate with your grooming. You compensate with your confidence. Is life unfair? Is life unfair? Parang hindi sure mga tao. Is life unfair? It is unfair. But the excitement of life is how you navigate towards that unfairness.